So in this video, we are going to do some practices for a better sleep. So this practice is called Bhramari Pranayam. For that, you can these two fingers will put in the ears like this. Take a deep breath in, and then breathing out will make a humming sound like a bumblebee. So after doing it for 3 times, you can keep the fingers inside the ears, and you can just be aware of the vibrations. And then after that, you can slowly bring the hands down, rub the palms as you saw me, and then you can put the palms over the eyelids, and you can after then you can go to sleep. You can actually do this just before sleep, and even you can do it in the morning with your yoga practice if you have a yoga practice, or if you go to the gym, or whatever fitness routine you have, you can do it around that, along with that. So this practice of Bhramari Pranayam releases a secretion called melatonin. Melatonin is a very natural secretion that happens when we are going to sleep. It really helps and promotes sleep. So this yogic practice will secrete this melatonin pigment, and then it will really help you to relax and go to sleep. So the next is a small meditation that we'll be doing. So for this, you can lie down. If you want, you can do it right now. You can just lie down, and I'll be guiding you through this practice how to do. Feel the breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, try to have a longer exhalation. Again, taking a deep breath in and slowly exhaling. Try to exhale out all the tensions, stresses that you have. Try to relax the mind. Keeping the eyes closed. Be aware of any kind of thoughts that you're having, and if you're having any kind of stress, tensions, problems that are coming up in the mind right now, try to be aware if you can actually find a solution to that problem. If there is a problem, and if there is a solution to that problem, that you are personally facing any kind of problem, then there will be definitely a solution to that. It may take some time for you to get to the solution, but there is a solution definitely to that problem. You just need to be calm and relaxed, and the solution to that problem will automatically come to you. Just be aware, and thanks to God's grace, you will get the solution. It will come to you naturally. So now, breathing in, counting 4, and then breathing out, counting 7. Breathing in, counting 4, breathing out, counting 7. So you can do this practice for number of breaths till you feel asleep, till you fall asleep. So now I would like to end this video. You can practice on your own, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments, or you can directly connect with me on Instagram. You can send me a message on Instagram. So take care, stay happy, stay healthy. Namaste.